Hello friends, welcome, and at the end of this video we will be able to create a image chat AI application, just which look like this, and it work for Windows mobile app and the website also. Okay, if you want to see the preview of this application, you can check the link in the description, and source code will be in the description also. So let's me show demo first. So let me pick a image first, this, and it will pick an image, and let me type a prompt like explain this image, and click in this generate. Yeah, it will take time. Yeah, you can see now it has given us a response. The image for the slide house of man. You can see here they have explained all this thing. You can solve the math problem in this application also. Okay, so if you want to create this, watch this video till the end, and if you are new on this channel, please do subscribe. Let's get started. At first, you have to add few dependencies in our public spec that I know by. You can see here it's 3 dependencies. One is Flutter snippet, and another is HTTP, and the last one is file picker to pick image from the desktop, mobile, and website also. Okay, after this, let's go to the image chat.dart and here we have passed the statistic visit, and after this we will create a method to get the image and type the prompt, and to take the response and display in our screen. Okay, so here let's create a variable first, which is platform file picked image. One is and one is my text, which will be empty for now, and another is bool scanning. This scanning will track the process where API will respond our prompt according to our prompt. Okay, and after this we will just pass a text editing controller. We will create a editing controller for the prompt that we will pass. Another is API key. Okay, let me tell you how to get this API key. You can just go to the Google Gemini official website, and you can just go to this website called what is it called, API Google AI Studio. Okay, and here you can see it is defined everything here. The header type, which is content type, application / JSON, and the body type. Here is the map that we will pass our data to the API, and another is post, where we will pass our API to here. We have to just copy this URL from here to here, copy this URL and go to your site and paste it here, and again go to paste it here, and again go to the, let me close this first, again go to here and get this Gemini API in the Google AI Studio, and after this you will navigate to the another page here also. Okay, you can just create an API key with your own, or if you have already created, you can just copy it from here. This is my API key, and I won't show you this API key. You can create your own, and after this where the API you can, after this key is equal to here, just pass that API to here, copy that API key, and after that we will create a header type. You can just see the header type, which is content type application / JSON. You can see here also it is defined here, and after that we will create a method to get the image from our device, which will be asynchronous. Getting this image from our device will take few time. That's why we create this image asynchronous, feature void get image and asynchronous. and if key is where, this key is where will define if it will determine if the device is where your application is running, in the website, in the mobile app, in the iOS app, or in the desktop. If this is web, then file picker result and is equal to await file picker dot platform. It will pick the file from the platform. We have added all the dependencies, so this file picker is to pick the image file from the device, from the web. Okay, and the type will be file type dot image, and if result is not equal to null, then it will set instead. It will copy that file. This you can see here, result dot file dot first. It means the first file picked from the web, in the web from the device. It will store that image into this picked image memory, and it will set the image to this here. And if else, if this is where, then it will do that, and if else it will be mobile or desktop, then it will pick file from the device like same as before. And if the result is not equal to null, then it will set state, and where it will paste the image from first image from the device into the picked image variable memory, I mean. Okay, and after this we will just create a get data method where we will pass the image one and the prompt value, and it will be also asynchronous because it will take few times, so it is asynchronous. We will set a state where the scanning is true. So I have already said that scanning will track the process of picking the image and sending request to the API and getting the response also, and the my text will also, that is set a state here. And we will use a try catch block. In the try block we will pass the unit, at least the image byte, and the image dot byte, which will be nullable, and string, which will be base 64 file. While API will respond, and the image should be converted into base 64 file. Okay, the base 64 file is the process of converting image into binary. So it will convert, it will help to encode that image into the base 64 file, that image byte into the base 64 file. And after this we will create a data format. In the content you can also see this format here also. D content, it means data contents, and the parts text, and explain how AI will work. Okay, so we will just copy that method, and in the parts we have passed the text, which is prompt value, that we will type the prompt, and the inline data we will pass the image in the JPEG format, and the data will be given into that base 64 file. And after this we will obviously create a cache block, and to cache the error, where we will pass the await http.post. We are using API, so we have to use this http request to send the request to the API. And here here we will pass the API URL, and the header in the body we will pass the JSON decode, which is decoded format the file. Okay, that data, and it will send the API request and take the response from the API and show to us. Okay, so if the response status code is 200, it means if the process is being completed successfully, this status code 200 means successful. You can see all the status code 300, 200, 400 in the internet. So if everything is being completed successfully, then we will create a result variable, and we will pass the response to this result variable, which is the JSON decode, and response.body. This is the response came from the API. In the my text we will pass our format, which is result, candidate, content, part, text, these parts, this text. Okay, and after this I have created my text. I have again modified this my text. It means my text dot replace all this star. When you get response from Gemini or ChatGPT, it give a header, it create a heading title using this double star. Okay, so to remove that double star, we will create this. So I will tell you later. And if everything is successful, then it will show this, and if it is not successful, then it will pass the response status. Who is the response status? That is good. Does it get 200? 200 is successful and 300, 400 other. Okay, and after this we will catch a error, which error we get, and just print it. Okay, and after this again we will set a state scanning to false. It means after being all the thing completed, we have to set this scanning to false. This is the process where it will track the process of this all this thing, and after everything completed, it will set it to false. And in the scaffold, we will pass a bar. Our method is been completed, and in the app bar we will pass just a title, which is image chat. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, let me remove this debug in the material. False. Okay, and it is just a heading title, and in the background we will give a color of transparent. In the action we will pass the icon button, and to get the image, icon size is 50. Icon size is 50, and in the onPressed we will pass the get image method that we created here, and in the icon we will pass the icon dot photo. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, and after this we will give a size box. In the body we will pass a padding. In the list view we will pass all the item. In the children, peak image will be null. Picked image, if the picked image is null, then it will show a container which height is 340 and width is 180. In the box decoration we will give few decoration, color of this white, and the border radius dot circular. Box shadow we will give a few shadow to create the pneumorphic design. Color is a little bit gray. Offset 4, blur radius 50, spread radius 1, and we will just copy and paste it again, and the offset will be in the negative. And if the picked image is null, is equal to null, I mean if we haven't picked image, then it will show this container, and in the center we will pass a child, and the text no image selected. It means if picked image is null, if we haven't picked any image, then it will show a container where no image selected will be shown. And if we have picked image, means it will show a size. It will give a size box. In the child we will pass a center, and we will pass the image dot memory that we have picked. This memory is the memory where our picked image is stored in the byte form. Here is the picked image, which height is 400. We will save this. You can see here. Till now no image is selected. And after this we will give a size box height 20. In the container we will give a box decoration. Border radius is 15, color is white, and box shadow to create few decoration gray. Offset is 4. It is same as like upper we created. Okay, and the next box shadow will be 4 in the negative. And after this we will pass a text field in the child, and in the controller we will pass a prompt. This prompt is, you can see here we have created this prompt in the text editing controller. And after this, in the decoration we will pass input decoration, field will be true, and the field color will be color dot transparent. And we will give an outline border. Border radius is circular, which is 15, and the border side is border side dot null. box radius which out, and we will also give a outline input border also to give a shadow. And in the prefix icon we will give a icons the endings are this, you can see here, and the color is black. And if we save this, you can see here it is on. And after this, in the hint text we will pass interval font, and in the hint style we will give a full style is color is gray. And if we save this, yeah, you can see here it is now looking quite good. And I will give a size box, and we will pass a gesture detector. In the on tap we will just pass if the fifth image is not equal to null, then it will call a get image get data. Sorry, get image not get image is different method, and the get data is different method. Get data, it will take the data from the AI and sorry, it will get data from us and pass to the API. And if picked image is not equal to null, then it will call the get data image. Obviously, if we have picked image, then it will pass the data to the API. The child will pass a container, padding, decoration, box decoration, color, border radius, box shadow to give a little bit shadow, and same as like before, it will be negative, one will be positive. In the child we will pass a row, main is alignment in the center. In the children we will pass icon dot generate rounded icon. You can see the icon here, and if we save this, yeah, you can see here, and we will give a size box width of 10, and the text will be generate answer, and we will give a text style of little bit. And yeah, this is the button. Okay, this we have used gesture detector here, so this is a button. After this we will give a size box, and in this part we will show the result from the API. If scanning has been completed, then we will just pass a padding and the snip. Okay, if scanning is true, it means if everything is in the process, then we will show the snippet 3 bounds. This is the animation of 3 bounds. And if scanning is true, it means if the scanning is in process. Scanning means the API is taking request from us, and we have sent the request and everything is in process, then it will show this 3 bounds snippet 3 bounds process indicator. And else it will show the text. In the text we will pass my text, which is the response we get from the AI. And after this we will give a size box, and it's developed by your name. You can pass your name, and the scaffold background will be colors. And if we save this, now it's completed. Okay, if we clear, and it will allow, and it will say to select an image. Okay, now everything is completed. If you want the source code, then we can check it out, my GitHub link in the description box. And if you are new at this channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon and share this video to your friends. So this is how you can create a AI chat image with your own. And if you want any other project me to create, then you can comment